What's up, guys? So it is the next day. These boxes right here are from the, what are they called? Why can't I think of the name? Hold on. Mom, M-A-L-M. They're mom drawers from IKEA. And I got a smaller one, one of the smaller ones, and then I got a bigger one. So I just finished putting them together. This is the smaller one. You know, IKEA, everything comes in little teeny pieces and you got to put it all together with all these screws and stuff. So my hands hurt, okay? But this is a smaller one, and the bigger one is in my closet right now. And my bed is supposed to be delivered. My bed is supposed to be delivered tomorrow, so we're gonna move everything out of the room. But you guys haven't seen, but last night my dad painted some of my walls. So the gray, and then this one's gonna be white, and then that's gonna be white as well. But like everything's everywhere, so all of this stuff is gonna get moved out so that the guys can just come in and put my bed up, and we'll move the stuff back in and get started on the room. So this is the bigger one. This one has 4 drawers, and they're a little bit more deeper than the other ones. I'm gonna use these for my main clothes, and then up here I have this hanger right here. It's for jeans. And the hooks that I had for my wigs, I was thinking about actually getting some of those and putting those in here for jeans as well. And then I have regular hangers for like jackets and stuff like that. And then, you know, the little cubby things, I don't know if you guys seen them before, but they're from IKEA too. And I'm just gonna put my shoes, and hopefully that'll cover pretty much everything. If not, I still have space on each side. So that's what's going on right now. But yeah, it took me forever to put those dressers together, because I originally had tried with the first night we had moved in with Sydney and Alicia, and we could not do it. Like, it just was not working out. So I guess this is not, like, I don't even know when these vlogs will end for the move-in process, but I guess just as the house comes together, you guys will just see it in different vlogs. But right now we're kind of just doing as much as we can, because like my dad and Ashley be at work all the time. So, but some movers did bring in the couch today and the kitchen table. Let me zoom in on the kitchen table, and if you can see these lamps right there, those are going in my room too. So and my dad did paint a little bit in the other rooms, but for now I think I'm going to oh, and this too, I forgot about this. But yeah, I think I'm going to at least start putting my stuff into these drawers and stuff. That down there is the little plastic thing that my dad uses to cover the floor when he paints. He's gonna start painting in there, but like this right here are my bins that I had when I lived in Memphis, and they broke on the way back, so I might as well just put my clothes in there. But this is the old couch from the old house. This is gonna be like a movie room slash, I think they said there's gonna be a bar or something in here, I don't know. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna start putting my clothes into these drawers, and I need to order some more stuff like on Amazon and stuff like that, because I kind of like stuff to be done like all at once. I don't want to keep dealing with stuff, so do as much as I can today, and like I said, I'll just keep vlogging and updating y'all on the process. Also, I meant to say I'm still deciding on what shelf I want to get from Amazon for my vanity on my wall, but this is the chair I got from Amazon. Black, it's cute. But yeah, so my vision basically is, oh, this is Chai's room. my vision basically is to have my TV kind of like in the corner here. I'm gonna have it on a mount and it's gonna kind of tilt this way. Then the smaller dresser is gonna go right here in this area, and then over here I'm trying to get like the floating vanity type of look. So I'm gonna get a round mirror, little shelf, and then that chair is gonna be right there. And then of course I still need to figure out the stuff with the window seat. And I'm getting this light from Home Depot. It was pretty cute, so I think that's what I'm gonna get. But yeah, I'm finna listen to music and y'all can just watch me, I guess, try to stock up, not stock up, but get my closet together until I get tired. These two are full of jackets. If you know me, I'm always cold, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but and those are clear. And all I have left here are hats. So I'm gonna get something to hold my hats, my shoes, my purses. I'm gonna get like a divider or something, but here's my drawers, bras, waist trainer, socks. We got, this one's kind of tight. This one's pajamas. There's a lot of pajamas in there. And then we got workout clothes and bathing suits. So that is finished. I don't really know what else. I need to buy some more stuff to help organize, but this is all I have done for today. I'm very tired and my back hurts.